Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, we've all been there, scrambling to find a quick breakfast on a chilly morning. Smoothies and avocado toast are fine, but sometimes you need something warm, hearty, and filling to power through the day. It's easy to fall into the same breakfast routine, but why not switch it up? Breakfast should be simple, satisfying, and something you should look forward to. That's why I'm so excited to share the game-changing recipe with you. Introducing the warm apple cinnamon oatmeal breakfast bowl. Protein-packed, cozy, and perfect for chilly holiday mornings. It's quick to make, full of flavor, and energizing, so you can tackle busy days with ease. Let's get started. First, let's add our oats. I'm using rolled oats here. We are adding our oats to a stainless steel bowl. It is simple and mess-free. Next, pour in water, followed by a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of cinnamon for that warm, cozy flavor boost. Give it all a good stir to combine. Now, here's the game changer. Instead of using a saucepan and standing over the stove stirring, we are placing this bowl right into the Instapot using an insert. It's hands-off, time-saving, and perfect for busy mornings. So I added water to the bottom of the Instapot, placed the insert, and then the steel bowl on top of it and closed the lid. And that's it. Cooking oatmeal in the Instapot is so convenient. It frees you up to take care of other tasks. Brew your morning coffee, pack the kids' lunches, or just enjoy a few peaceful minutes. Plus, you can make a big batch to feed the whole family in one go. Set the Instapot to high pressure for just 2 minutes. Once it's done, let it vent naturally for a few more minutes. In under 10 minutes total, you have creamy, delicious oatmeal without any extra effort. Our oatmeal is ready, warm, creamy, and perfectly cooked. Now let's add some flavor. First, stir in a spoonful of applesauce for natural sweetness, a drizzle of maple syrup for that extra cozy flavor, a scoop of protein powder for extra energy, and this step is completely optional, but you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence for the extra boost of flavor. Give it a good stir until it's all blended and silky smooth. Now for the toppings. Add fresh apple slices, some sliced pecans for some crunch, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and maybe a dollop of vanilla Greek yogurt. And there you have it, a warm, protein-packed apple cinnamon oatmeal bowl made effortlessly in the Instapot. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Enjoy!